Okay, so continuing on sheet 7 here, I've added a text box and pasted the instructions here in this text box just so they're handy and easy for us to refer to. So we're going to build a nested if with multiple ifs. So if, open parentheses, in the first logical test, and remember that a logical test is just something equals something or greater than. You have to use one of the 6 logical operators, and those are equal, less than, greater than, not equal to, greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to. So this one kind of walks you through exactly what those logical tests ought to be. So we're entering that in cell H4. That should display the text string order pending if the date expected value in E4, so E4 is greater than the value in the cell named compare date. So we can find that cell named compare date. So if E4 is greater than compare date, we want it to say order pending. Okay, so that's the value of true. If E4 is greater than the compare date, it should say order pending. If not, we're going to do another test. Okay, so this time, instead of checking the compare date, then is the value in F4 equal to G4. If that is true, we want it to say order closed. Okay, if not, we're going to do another test. So if, open parentheses, so the next one says if the received value in G4, so G4 is less than the ordered value in F4, then this should say contact vendor. And if not, then we should say return excess. So now I need to close parentheses. Now watch when I type this first closing parentheses, it flashes and shows you which one you're closing. So you've got to have 3 closing parentheses because we have 3 ifs with 3 opening parentheses. And so that function is ready. So you notice these 2 equal, so it says order closed. Then you can double click and copy that down. Notice we can spot check and make sure we did it right. This one says return excess. We did receive more than we ordered. This one says contact vendor. We got ordered more but didn't get them all. This one says order pending. We've got this date and it's greater than this. So we've got that nested if function built correctly.